Terraria Gaming here. Today we are going to be playing with. So let's see. So first I need to get there. Okay, so let's see what it is. Personally. Yay! I'm a skeleton! Hello everyone. Why is the zombie so fast? That's unfair. Right. Well, I need to get off. So, yeah, okay. Now. I'm also a YouTuber. Be Charizard, be Pikachu. Personally, I like Charizard better. So, yeah. What the heck? I can't even fly. It's a ripoff. Ooh, plus 30 health. Oh, was that always there? This is really good animation. And I don't want to be Charizard no more, but I don't want to be Pikachu either. So first, I'm gonna wait to get out and get back in. Okay, so next round. Okay, be a mustache. Have a beard. I would have a mustache. Oh, this beard. I mean, this mustache looks really cool. This is epic. Hello. I have a mustache. I have a mustache. Mustache. Anyways, when is this gonna be over? I want to get rid of my mustache now. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And comment down below what you want me to play next. Have an actual hover. Have a hoverboard. Oh my god. What? 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 No, 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 no. I don't want to Beavis anymore. Is it almost over? I need to get out. Oh, yes, I'm done. I'm a YouTuber too. Called Terraria Gaming. Subscribe. Or a fidget spinner. Become a fidget spinner. I would own one. Sub to Terraria Gaming. Love this. I have a fidget spinner. Sucker, I have a fidget spinner. You guys don't. Anyways, time to get rid of my fidget spinner. Be Pillar Man. I would be Roblox. What? I like that a bit more. Hi! I am not an alpha tester. Whatever. I guess I want to get again. Thank you. What? Oh, I like this one better. I thought it meant like, oh, that's how much time until the question starts. But no, it meant how much time until it happened. Whatever, I survived. I can at least say that. Okay, I want to get rid of this now. Bye-bye, and now get back in. No. Okay. Skydive from a plane. Jump off a very high diving board. I would skydive from a plane. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Why water? I want to die. Ooh, 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 ooh. That girl just swimming. Oh, I'm scared. No, I don't care. I'll become Jane Doe or become John Doe. I might become John Doe and steal skin. Can I steal your skin? No. Man, what? Is he a Roblox guest? Okay, so what is this round? Evil duck, good duck. Could I choose no duck? No. No, I would be an evil duck. Oh my god. I get the funniest costume. I'm an evil duck. I have devil horns and sharp teeth. And I'm black. And I have red eyes. And I'm mad. I'm mad. Everyone shall bow down to the almighty devil duck. That's what I've named myself. No! It took away my devil duck. Valve. Electronic Arts. What? No! Why do they get to kill us? I was hearing my brother's YouTube channel. Drink Bloxy Cola. I Bloxy Cola. And how did you survive? Ooh. I must. That's good. I could do this all day. This is Bloxy Cola, right? This better be. Because if it's Bloxy then this can is a traitor. It doesn't taste like it though. This tastes really good. I can't stop drinking. Be famous, be rich. I'd be famous. I'd be famous. What? I quit. No. It took away my Bloxy Cola. Let me out. I want my Bloxy Cola. I will grab you in my alien arms and suck you in here with us. I want my Bloxy Cola. I am mad. Can I get my Bloxy Cola? So anyways, this is gonna be the last round until I end it. Play Street Fighter. Play Mortal Kombat. Nah, I don't know. I don't know what this is. Hadouken. Oh my god. No. How do I get off of this? Hadouken. Well, and as the round ended. Okay. So guys, remember to subscribe and like this video and comment. See you next time.